Is your 2004-2018 Toyota Sienna key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. Key fobs are powered by a small battery that sends radio signals to the vehicle to unlock doors or start the engine. Without a functional battery, keyless entry and ignition become impossible. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money, and takes just a few minutes. This video guides you through the process. The 2004-2018 Toyota Sienna key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard coin cell battery with specific dimensions and specifications. This common battery type is easily found online or at most drugstores and supermarkets. Ensure you purchase a quality brand like Energizer or Panasonic to prevent leaks and ensure longevity. Avoid cheaper, unbranded options that can corrode the fob's contacts. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing. Using a plastic tool helps prevent scratches. Wearing gloves is recommended to prevent oil transfer from your fingers, which can cause corrosion on the battery contacts. Disconnect the fob from your keychain to avoid static discharge during the process. Locate the small slot on the side or back of your key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver or pry tool into the slot and carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob casing back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Sienna. When replacing the key fob battery in your Toyota Sienna, there are a few common mistakes to watch out for that can damage the fob or complicate the process. The most common mistake is reversing the battery polarity, putting the positive and negative sides in the wrong way. This can damage the fob's circuit board. Always double-check the orientation before inserting the new CR2032 battery. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, it might need reprogramming. This requires a trip to the dealership or using an OBD2 scanner to reset the fob with your vehicle's system. Finally, avoid over-tightening the fob casing when snapping it back together. This can crack the plastic or damage internal components. Simply press the halves together firmly but gently. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob using a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. Next, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Corrosion appears as rust or dark buildup and can prevent proper electrical connection. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, the fob may need reprogramming. You can visit a Toyota dealership for professional reprogramming, which typically costs between $50 and $100. Alternatively, purchase an OBD2 scanner and reprogram the fob yourself at a lower cost. Old CR2032 batteries are hazardous waste and should not be thrown in the regular trash. They contain lithium that can contaminate the environment if not disposed of properly. These are the CR2032 batteries used in Toyota Sienna key fobs. As shown by this warning symbol, they can be dangerous if mishandled. Instead, dispose of them at designated battery recycling locations. Many electronics stores and local recycling centers accept these batteries for proper recycling. You can place them in recycling bins like this one. Find recycling stations at locations like universities or community centers as shown on this map. Proper disposal helps prevent environmental contamination from lithium waste, which is becoming an increasingly important concern worldwide. The automotive industry is moving towards more sustainable and integrated key systems. Newer Toyota models use smart keys with app integration and digital key technology via NFC, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Newer Toyota models feature app integration and digital keys via NFC, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Aftermarket rechargeable kits and solar-powered fobs are emerging for older models, offering sustainable alternatives to traditional batteries. The future points to smartphone-based keys, potentially phasing out battery replacements entirely as vehicles become more connected. However, for 2004 to 2018 Sienna owners, this DIY battery replacement will keep your key fob functioning for years to come.